So this is the symbol chart for the granny square. It can look very daunting at first, but actually it's well worth having a go at following it along whilst you're following the written pattern as well, because actually this can become a really useful map, if you like, to following the pattern. You'll find it on page 11 and 12 of your PDF. So it's very useful to print it out and highlight along as you go. Page 11 is the right-handed version, which is what I've printed out here. Page 12 is the left-handed version. The only difference is right-handers will follow the pattern anti-clockwise and left-handers will follow it clockwise. That's the only difference in the way the pattern looks. So just to give you an idea of how this works, I'm going to highlight it, and I really encourage you to do that as you go along. You start off in the middle. Each of these ovals represents one chain. So those 6 chains we made at the beginning, and then we slip stitched them to make our ring. These 6 ovals here represent that. The black dot is the slip stitch we made. So we did 6 chains and we slip stitched to make a ring. So that's done. For right-handers, we're following around in that direction. Left-handers will be the opposite. For round 1 then, we chain 3 in the air, which is represented by those 3 ovals there for the 3 chain. Now each of these T's with a cross through it is a treble. So we then made 2 trebles into this ring. Then we made chain 3 in the air. Then we made another 3 trebles all into this ring. Chain 3, 3 trebles, chain 3, 3 trebles, chain 3, and I've just shown you how to slip stitch into the third of the 3 chain to join it. And we've then fastened off. And because we're fastening off, there's no natural continuity in the pattern. So I've started every round with these 3 chains here in this right hand corner. So if you're looking for where the round starts, this is where you need to look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the videos of how to make round 2, and then I'm going to, as I go do that, I'm going to come back to the chart and show you how to highlight it as you go and how to use that to guide your stitches. If you find that overwhelming, just ignore the symbol chart parts and look at the videos of me demonstrating, but it's well worth giving this a try as people do tend to like it.